as of now, this is what you got. You got me, baby. Suck it up.
This video is sponsored by Garvey, a company known for producing top quality tools and equipment at an unbeatable price for your home improvement and DIY needs. And they have sent me their large metal walk-in chicken coop, plus the 8-compartment roll-away nesting boxes. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how it came together, how the setup went, and share a few things I learned along the way. So sit back and let's get into this video.
That's too long, man. That's too long.
Yeah, that one. Oh, yeah.
I got my glove.
Yeah, D2 up top.
All right, y'all. This is gonna do it for today's, Major's today's work, because we gotta get him back to the airport, get him back to New York City, and just want to let him know that I appreciate the work that he done, because I didn't help him. This was all him. This was all Big Double M right here. Much love to him. My guy got us all the way around. It's tough to see, but you can see the net right here. And it's tight if you seen that. Shout out to Double M. So this is the Garvey 8-hole galvanized steel nesting box. It's wall mountable, nice and sturdy, weighs about 40 pounds. What I like about it is the roll-away design. As soon as the hens lay, the eggs slide forward, so the eggs stay nice and clean, because y'all seen the problem that I've been having with keeping my eggs clean lately. And it just overall make the egg collection process a lot smoother. Plus these ventilation holes here on the side to keep the airflow, to keep the nesting dry. This will be a lot easier to clean, plus it's built to last. All right, y'all, back on this chicken coop. We done had a couple days off down here. Well, I should say a couple weeks off, because we done had a lot of rain and downpour down here in North Carolina. So today is the day. We got some beautiful weather, so why not finish putting this chicken coop together and get these chickens sorted to where we can get us some baby chicks, some more eggs, the whole nine, you know. So let's get back into this video. Before I get back in this video, I know you got probably questions where the brothers at. You may see them poke their head in and out here from time to time, but as of now, this is what you got. You got me, baby. Suck it up. Prepare to struggle a bit. Don't be afraid of that. Ain't nothing wrong with a little struggle sometimes. But the mosquitoes, that's what you should be worried about. I just thought about something. A chicken coop is what started this whole thing. So for me to be receiving a brand new chicken coop, a bigger chicken coop, a more well put together chicken coop in such a quick turnaround, I'm so mad at myself. Well, but what I was saying is, I'm so mad at myself. Well, I can't really say I'm so mad at myself that I didn't get started earlier, but it's just, I made something bigger than what it had to be, you know? And I feel like it's a couple of y'all in the same situation. It's something that you want to do. All right, now we're back. But I know it's something that some of you or one of you want to do something, and you want to do it. You want to start a business. You want to start this YouTube channel. You want to get a tiny home. You want to buy some land. Any of those things. You want to go camping. Any of those things, because you seeing me. You seeing me, so that's got to be something that you want to happen. So I know that that's something that you desire. So just take it from me. Like, it's not as big and it's not as bad as you think it is. It's worth it though. It's worth it. Stop letting excuses get the best of you. You know, I still battle with that. But I'm here. You seeing me here. So stop procrastinating. Stop being afraid to make it happen. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this part of the video because I'm running out of daylight and I'm getting tore up by mosquitoes. So I'm about to head in the crib. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I know. Hear me out. I kind of got carried away. I don't know if I started recording, but either way, the footage didn't happen whenever I put the tarp up. But the tarp is up, so now that is all buttoned up, I like to get into it and give y'all a few key features and things and stuff that I like, and a little bit, it's just a few things that I don't like. But anyways, let's just start with the things that I don't like. The very back end, back here, let's take a trip. This right here, me personally, I believe that it need a middle, something in the middle going here, because this right here just, I don't know, it kind of scares me, I don't know. But maybe the zip ties will do their thing. I said I was gonna get some green ones, but I didn't. So I just used the zip ties to make that fit. Other than that, another thing that just kind of concerns me is harsh weather as far as like winds and rains. Like, will this last over time? But other than that, that's about the only thing that I gotta say that just pretty much raised my antennas that got to do with this Garvey chicken coop. Yeah, I had one more red flag or something that raised my antennas. Is that I don't know how good this would be as far as keeping predators out. It does a great job with keeping your chickens and your animals in, but kind of weary about how it would do up against predators. So that's another thing that just kind of worries me a little bit. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's talk about my favorite thing about this, which is the walk-in design. It's built with a lot of space, which allows the chickens to roam. They're not on top of each other, so that way we can have more chickens if we plan to do so, which now that we got this, I'm pretty sure we will. So with all this space, it makes cleaning, watering, and feeding the chickens that much easier. So take it from me, I know dealing with the other chicken coop, how it is walking around with 5-gallon buckets of food and water, trying to feed and water your chickens. So doing that in a cram spot is not fun. So looking forward to doing it in a space that allows space. That's all I can say. And the Garvey chicken coop come with this UV waterproof cover, which gives the chickens a shaded area to go when it's really hot outside, and it keeps them cool and dry whenever it's raining. But overall, I'm super thankful to Garvey for giving me this opportunity to show you all this chicken coop. I enjoy it. I'm sure the chickens enjoy it. So let's get into a little bit more perks about the chicken coop. All the sides are wrapped in galvanized PVC coated wire mesh, and that means good airflow, rust resistance, and they say protection from predators, but time will tell. And the frame was built with the reinforced triangle supports, which means it should be stable and holds up strong. And it's also versatile. Even though it's meant for chickens, it can house ducks, rabbits, or other small animals too. The lock system is solid. Once it's closed, you don't have to worry about anything getting in at night. So overall, the Garvey large chicken coop is spacious, durable, and practical. It's got good protection, easy access, and the setup isn't too complicated. If you're looking for a coop that'll keep your animals safe and give you room to work, this is a strong option. And with the weather-resistant galvanized steel construction, it's built to handle different seasons and last over time. I just want to say thank you, Garvey, for this opportunity to making a homestead a lot more efficient and productive. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.